I realized my body had changed. Not only for the kilos, I took 18, but also other change that had happened to me that I was not prepared for, that no one talked me about it. 10 years from now, I will enter on menopause. And again, I don't know what I have to do to prepare for it. I'm Elena Torras, CEO and co-founder at BWOM. Women, we experience many changes in our life, and we know that this will happen, but we don't know what we have to do to prevent. Health systems just lack of prevention tools for us. Just to put you an example, out of our 200,000 users, around 50 to 60%, they say they have some kind of intimate health issues. Just an example, 53% they have sexual dysfunction, and 60% urine leaks. But do you know how many have gone to a specialist to talk about it? Only 2%, when the problem is already severe and costly for the system, while the others are suffering in silence. We are talking about sexual dysfunctions, prolapse, preparing for menopause, prevention of breast cancer. So all women's intimate health is surrounded of taboos. This is not only a social cost on how it's impacting women's life, but also an economic cost. Just in the US, intimate health issues cost $111 billion a year. Imagine if we could turn preventative costs into healthy and profitable industries. We have to go from sick care to healthcare. We are BWOM. We are a digital coach for women's health. We make questions to our users about lifestyle, moment of life, and symptoms. And then we provide personalized action plans, so the tools to prevent or to reduce their current health situations. And we treat health holistic. So we have also an API that allows us to integrate with other devices, platforms, and hardware that already exist. So we can provide an only health companion to the user, covering everything on their health. We believe in our mission. That's why we have a free part, where we provide some things to our users. How? For instance, how to prevent breast cancer control, or some tips on emotions. But we are a for-profit company, and that's why we have a premium model where we provide the action plans so the women can reduce or prevent their health situation. But we are also helping our health stakeholders and corporates to reduce their costs through prevention and early detection, to make better business decisions because all the data we have, and to keep their female populations healthier. This could not be possible if it was not for the amazing team we have, all senior, with experience in previous startups and complementary skills. And of course, our investors that invested in the seed stage, led by Hansi Hansman, who was also the lead investor at MySugar, sold to Roche last year. And also we have the Runtastic founders and the Doctoralia founders. We have been recognized as one of the 45 femtech startups, according to CV Insights, and finalists in the AXA Health Tech Awards as Disruptive, 4 Years from Now, and so on. And also, the press has covered us, such as Forbes, or we were featured on the homepage of TechCrunch. We are building a necessary business to improve women's health. When we feel confident and good with our body, we feel powerful and able to do anything we want. Moreover, 80% of the decisions taken around health in a family are taken by women. So impacting in women, we are impacting all the society. Women's health rights are today a social priority. Technology should be a liberator. So we can say hello to a new paradigm of healthcare based on education and prevention. Say hello, BWOM, hello, confidence. Thank you.